We are in an era where your mobile phone can turn you into an instant millionaire. Yes, your mobile phone can work as your office, it can be your university, and you can run a whole business using your mobile phone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use your phone to build what you want, to earn a living, and learn a lot more by just using your mobile phone. Hi and welcome to this platform. My name is Karunji Josephine and I'm so glad to have you here. If this is your first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too for coming back to watch this video. Did you know that you can actually sell your photos? Yes, I mean your pictures, and earn some money from them? Yes, so if you are a person that is obsessed with taking photos, taking pictures of each and everything that comes across you, you can actually use this as an opportunity for you to make money from them. By just using your mobile phone, you can take pictures of flowers, take pictures of, people's bags, pictures of people moving. There are different businesses, entrepreneurs that would like to use these pictures on their websites. So I'm sure you have come across a picture either on Google or on these editing apps where you would like to actually use a certain picture and they ask you for some money, for some dollars. Yes, so if you have a good phone that can take good quality pictures, that can take good videos, people can be using your videos as stock videos, as stock pictures, and you can actually earn money from them. Another thing that you can actually do with your mobile phone is fill out surveys, and this is answering survey questions. All this information that you see on Google, all this information that you see on YouTube, different search engines, there are actually people that help these platforms to do those surveys. And one of them that you can actually use is called Premise, and another one is called Survey Junkie. These are applications that you can use to, help these companies, help these different platforms to do survey in different places that you are. So the questions they ask you on these apps are: how much are the costs of different things in the area where you are living? They can ask you about how different costs of living are affecting people in the place where you are. So giving them all this information is actually helping them do the survey. So these are the survey questions. They ask you so many questions in the place where you live. And that is also a different way that you can actually earn money just using your phone. By giving them this information, in return, they are going to give you some money. So try them out and let me know how this goes. I'll be so glad to hear from you. Try out Premise, try out this Survey Junkie and different other apps where they ask you survey questions and earn money from just using your phone. And then another thing that you can actually do with your phone is exploring your creativity using Canva. Yes, if you are a person that is running a business, let me say if you want to market your business, let me say if you want to start building your career online, here there are certain apps that you can use to build your career up, and one of them is Canva. I have used Canva for now over 5 years. Yes, I've learned how to edit my videos using Canva. I've learned how to edit my thumbnails using Canva. I've learned how to edit flyers for my business. I've learned how to edit different things using Canva. So if you are a person that wants to explore your creativity by just using your phone, you can actually use Canva. So Canva has actually two versions. It has the free version and it has a version that you can actually pay for. That is the premium one. So if you are a person that is interested into learning how to edit your videos, learn how to edit flyers, learn how to edit different things, exploring your digital creativity, Canva is the app for you. And good enough that you can actually use this app on your phone. You can also use it if you have a PC, but I can say it is so easy when you are using a phone. It is just a tap away. Yes. So use this to explore, use this to market your business using flyers, and this can be a great opportunity for you to market yourself out there, and not only market yourself but also earn a living. If you have good quality pictures, this is also a platform that can help you sell out your photos and sell out your videos, and not only that, also explore your creativity and earn a living out of it. Yes, by just using your phone. So another thing that you can use your phone for is to run a Shopify store. Yes, so this is an app where you can also manage your e-commerce, like manage your business, be able to talk to your clients, be able to, upload your different products that you would like people to buy, where you can find different people, different businesses marketing their products and making money out of them. So you can upload things that you no longer use. If you have a business, this is an opportunity for you to put your business out there for people to be able to actually, buy. And let me tell you guys, it's not only about making money, it is also one way of connecting with different people, connecting with people who are doing the same things that you're doing, or who are even doing different things. So you not only connect, also learn from different people by just using your phone. So if you really know how powerful your phone is, this is an opportunity for you not to only use your phone for entertainment, but also make sure that you are using it to earn a living. You're using it to learn. Just like I said at first, that you can have your phone be your school. You can learn a lot by just using your phone. So another thing that you can actually use your phone for is to become an online tutor. Let me say you know how to play piano and you can teach this to different people. Well, this is an opportunity that you can use with your phone to create a course and let people know this knowledge, but at the same time you earn money out of them. So you can create an online course teaching people about music, teaching people about digital marketing, teaching people different skills that you have. So look into the skills that you have. What can you teach people out there and let it earn money from you? Yes, this is an opportunity. Just sit in your house using your phone, just like how I'm doing right now, and then talk to people. Teach them how to do that particular skill, but in return, they are going to give you money, and you are actually using this money to build up your life, to improve your well-being and do the things that you have always wanted to do. So do not limit yourself. Your phone can do a lot more. Another thing that you can actually use your phone for is making YouTube videos. Yeah, I said it. I've let people know about this in one of my videos, that here on YouTube you can actually earn money from just creating YouTube videos, doing different things. I've seen people doing travel content, I've seen people doing money content like what I'm doing right now. I've seen people share the things they're passionate about, share about their purpose. I've seen people do vlogging about their lifestyle. Like, you can do a lot of things making YouTube videos, and in return, while you're making these videos, you are going to become a YouTube partner. So how do you partner with YouTube? You have to make sure that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for you to be able to start monetizing your YouTube videos and making money out of them. So I'm sure you have been on YouTube here and then you've seen an advert pop up while you have clicked on the video, or maybe while you are in the middle of watching a video. The money that you earn from these YouTube adverts, you actually divide it, and YouTube takes 45% and you take the rest of the percentage. You actually take the biggest percentage. Yes, so those ads that you see in people's YouTube videos are actually money, and you can use this as an opportunity for you to earn money by just creating YouTube videos using your phone. Another way that you can actually not only earn a living but also help you be a better person is by using your phone to keep track on your health habits, keep track on how you're doing with your diet, how you're doing with your fitness journey, how you are doing with your finances. Yes, you can use your phone to track your health. You can use your phone to help you track how you spend, track your budget and all that by just using your phone. So there are different apps that you can actually use to help you track your health journey, to help you track, as I said, your money and a lot more. One of them that I've actually used is the app that is created by a lady called, she has a channel here on YouTube called Grow with Joe. I don't know whether you've come across that YouTube channel. It's a fitness channel. And she shares about her workouts and helping other people be fit. But she created an app where she helps people to be able to track on their health, remind them to work out, remind them to eat healthy, and a lot more. So you can try out these different apps and be able to become a better person. Yes, not only earn money, but also help you grow, helping you build what you want to achieve in life. You can use your phone to read as many books as you can. Yes, these days you've seen even Bibles are on phones. Even, calendars are on phones. So there is a lot more that you can use your phone for to build what you want. And then the last way that you can actually use your phone to not only learn but also earn is by earning rewards for playing games. Yes, now this is for people who enjoy playing games, playing those video games, playing cards. Like there's so many games that are on our phones. So if you have played a game before, you will find where they actually give you coins or they give you stars in these different games, that if you play more or if you play and win as many times as they want you to win, at each level there are certain stars that you gain or there are certain coins that you actually are given, and these are rewards. In these rewards you're actually earning. These coins can be turned into dollars, they can be turned into the currency in your country. So if you are a person that loves playing games, this is one way of you being able to earn using your mobile phone. Yes, enjoy while you are making money out of it. Your phone can help you build what you want. Yes, the life that you are admiring, you can just use your mobile phone to build exactly that. So that is what I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section, have you ever tried one of the things that I have been sharing, or what are you going to actually try out? Yes, let me know down in the comment section and I'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video.